And just like that, Monday comes around again, eh? We've got the rigid back for Daff. It does oh, that doesn't look good. It does a respectable 55, 56, so that was a pleasant surprise. So 3 drops a day. Gone down to Dumfries first. I'll go down the 702 onto the A74M and then pick up the 701 right into Dumfries. And then after that I'm going up to Elkinleck. I'll grab the A76 for that, straight up. And then last drop's in Jackton, East Kilbride. And I head back to the yard. I've got the urban trailer on, so I need to swap it over again. Put the 40-foot trailer on because I'm off tomorrow, Tuesday, and on Wednesday I believe I'm going back to the Celtic training club. So we'll see if they've fixed that road or if it's still just a crapshoot. Most likely it'll still be a crapshoot, but we'll see how we get on. And I will be fully loaded this time, 44 tons, so high chance of just sinking in the mud, eh? Getting into that good driving weather. I mean, I didn't mind driving in any weathers, but in the summer, when the sun's blazing, your air's burning, you got the windies doing and the warm air's just blasting in. Gives you that cosy feeling. Helps that I enjoy it right enough. The job in general, so there is that. Oh, what is that? Just a bag. It's just a bag. And I'll pop along here and retighten all my straps up. It's mostly mesh I've got on, so that's generally never too bad, and that bag's stuck to my chassis. Yay! Anyway, I'll pop you back on in Dumfries, I think. Right, we're here, but I don't really know where I'm going. It doesn't look like a cold store. I'm looking for a cold store, whatever that is. We'll go fast. Browns. He looked unimpressed. Never mind, eh? I think a fellow delivery driver would understand that sometimes you've got to stop and have a wee gander at what you're looking at. Oh, there we go, Brown Cold Store. Brown Food Group. Oh, you're a big pothole, Jesus. We'll go fast. Oh, I'm confused. Right, we're just gonna... Walker Bridge Cold Store. So you got it. Oh, we're just going. I wish it. Right. Eventually managed to find somebody and get it. But Auchinleck next, so let's find our way to the A76. I've not been up the A76 for this side. I've always come down for the Kilmarnock side, so see how it looks. I'm sure it'll be pretty. It looks a bit windy, but I mean just because I'm looking across a larger map. Regardless, we'll deal with it and we'll get on with it, and we'll get this next lot tipped off. Couple of ton stock bar. Let's go. Right, this is in Auckland Lake. It's only 3 tons, so I'm really hoping for a quick tip in here. Forklift drivers usually pushed for time, so not always as quick as I would like it to be, but them's the brakes, them's the brakes. You win some, you lose some. Put some flashy beacons on, and we'll go speak to our wee pal at the gate. Yeah, I think you're supposed to go left first. Maybe not. Hello beautiful, how are we today?
It's with a fucking camera.
What's YouTube? I get sexy people like you on it, you know what I mean? Sex sells, doesn't it? So I get pretty faces like yours and people will flock to it, mate. I'll go viral.
Where do you buy it, like? The sex it sells?
Ah, you can't buy it. You can't buy it. You just got it, you ooze it. You ooze it.
Mine is probably better than fucking putting up with one permanently.
Ah, that's your choice, buddy.
2 ex-wives testify to that.
Can you get a wee forklift lad a wee
They
bail?
will be changing at some point because they're shutting this afternoon here. They're going to be putting everything up the top road.
At some point.
This week, apparently. So for next week.
We're back up the whole road.
Aye.
Ah, that's fine.
Right.
As long as I'm informed of it, buddy, it's when I go places and they're like, wait, in here, and I'm like, oh sorry mate, I didn't
I
know.
just got informed this morning.
Alright.
They're moving my boat.
Have we gone back round this way now, are we?
See the doorway up there?
Aye.
Through that one, all the way through the warehouse, through to there, then.
They fixed that other end yet? Aye, he's on it. He'll be on his break. Give him a bell though and tell him it's just 2 lifts. Because he sees me and he seems to think he gets everything.
Why that he's in there, because there was a fucking truck coming earlier with a load of pipe work on it, he's still not come out yet. Unless he's sunk.
Well, there's every chance yet, but they are sunk in here the other week there, but I managed to get out yet.
He's a fucking foreigner. He's in there somewhere.
Right, no bother.
But aye, through that way, Alan will be a bit
Up for the usual, aye. Up to...
Every time I phone him, he's like, whack. Stay your fucking joke, you prick.
Aye, he's a bit high strung, isn't he? Oh dear. Right, I'll go see if I can find them.
Right.
You have a good day, buddy. Right, see if I can find this forklift driver. Right, got that off quick enough, thank God. Different forklift driver came. But as you can see, it's no improved any. It is disgusting. But this is what I signed up for, the muddy building section and that, but this really takes the cake. Like, this is one of the worst ones I got, without a doubt. I mean, I've got riggers down there, you can see the nick of them. Because I just wear steel toe cap trainers. But there's no room to swing a cat in this. So there's nowhere for me to put dirty boots. I can't just shove them in the door and you know, drive with slippers on. As nice as that would be, I've just not got the capability to do it. There's absolutely never. I tried keeping like a big bin here beside me and putting them in that, but you just end up knocking them on stuff and then you get dirt everywhere. So I kind of resigned myself to, oh well, I just need to wear them. and then I can clean the mat, but it doesn't look like that because the wet dirt, the wet mud dries out, and then you're standing on it, and it just turns to dust, and then before you know it, there's just shit everywhere. It's no. I've taken to just climbing over to the passenger side and that side get dirty, and then at least I'm not crushing it off into fine dust. And at the end of the day I can take that mat out and get a wash done, a hose done. It's not an ideal situation. I mean, this is now, it's only 10 foot one tall. And it's certainly not meant for tramping or anything like that. It's literally just a day driver's cab. I got a bed in the back there, but again, there's no storage space for anything. You couldn't tramp in this. Two tiny wee lockers there, that's it. Right, 2 minutes away, if that. Jacked in. I've been coming here for years. I delivered most of the steel in here. A useless fact. Started to do it as an absolute cesspool like the other place I was just at, but it got a lot better. Some of them are still a bit naff, but you come to expect it. My God, this weather has not been good. It is just absolutely chocked at the doing all day. So as I say though, today's rains, tomorrow's whiskey. It's just a shame I can't afford any nice whiskies, so the only ones I can afford are absolute firewater, so I'll stick to drinking rum, thank you very much. I like a wee dead man's finger. That's a good rum. Now my only issue here is, it's 20 past 12 and I don't know if these guys go for their lunch at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. If it's 12 o'clock then I'm screwed, I'll not get tipped till after 1. If it's 1 o'clock then they should just tip me. You sometimes find though, especially in weather like this, they just pretend you're not there, they just blank you, like that's one of my boys, yeah. He's not letting on though. Get some beacons going. No, Mr. Fiesta, I'm actually going in there. Please stay. Please stay. He was going to go for it, but he realised I was turning in, so. Right. Let's see if we're getting tipped now, eh? Made a wee boo-boo there. I'm on the wrong side. This is Barrett. I need Calla. Whoopsie. Not be the first time and I'll not be the last. It's all the same ground workers, so they're usually that bothered, eh? Oh well, that sorts that out. The customers ordered the wrong stuff, so I'm going away. I'm just going to try and spin around here. You can normally drive right round this, but the lad in his van's decided to park over there, as they do. Oh, I'm going to move that pallet off. I'll go move that pallet. There we go. Should have let you do that. Skipped just a band in there. It's always fun. In she goes. Chasing us. Lovely. There we go. 3 pallets of brick. Right, I'm back to work. That's us back. So, video wise, that's probably going to be the end of that. He is not parked in a good bloody place. Oh my God. Yeah. I'll see if I have to take this off or not. I'm hoping not. They can just take it, use it as stock. Got the 40-foot trailer hooked up. I was going to video how the steering axle trailer works, but not in this weather. So, a blinking eye for you, but for me, I'm not back in until Wednesday. So, yeah, see you on Wednesday morning. Well, we made it to Wednesday, but I think it's going to be a disastrous start. Yeah, it's 6:30 in the morning. Bypass is never like this at 6:30. So somebody's had an unfortunate accident. So yeah, this is going to put me on the back foot because I've actually got 5 drops today. I thought I was only going to have 1 at the Celtic grounds, but no, we have 4 to go back to on the ridge around Edinburgh, and that's never good. I'd rather do 10 drops in Glasgow than 2 in Edinburgh, because you just kind of get moving. Once you get past 7 o'clock in the morning, that's it. You're not moving anywhere anytime quick. Luckily, 3 of the drops are out by the airport. They're all right next door to each other, sort of thing. So, I will see how much I'll hold up. This causes joy. Back once again. It's damn sight easier getting in because I've got the urban trailer on. There she comes, and she comes. No bother at all at that. Loads of room. I'm really hoping they've got the proper hardcore road down now on that landing pad as well, because my mid-lift is down, so my grip is very minimal. Guess we'll find out, but if it's not down, then I'm probably not making it all the way to that landing pad. I'll probably sink before I get there, and then I'll just need to tip me where I sit. So I try to gauge where the edge of the road is without coming off it. Oh, it's only 7:30 as well. So hopefully I'm the first one in. Oh, I see a tanker of some kind that's been put in, so that gate again. Jesus. Right. I'm going to open that gate. Right, gate's open. Let's see if we can get in. I think they've widened this a bit. Right, we're not getting turned round in here, so let's do another person there. It'll be fun. Silence because I'm concentrating. Can't see how far it pushed that gate open. Still getting it. There we go. Lovely. We're out of here. We'll go back and get the engine now. 4 drops in Edinburgh. 9:45 now. When is this right? We'll get back at 11:10. That's not ideal. Oh well, let's do it. Right, Thursday the 28th. I've got 3 drops. Again, thought I was only going to have 1, but I've got 3. We've got a Larkhall, some battering, and then the Celtic training ground. Just enjoy the view. When you turn on, the first drop's like 180 kilos. DR McLeod's, well, it's DFDS now basically, but aye. So lads at DR McLeod that take their stuff for us, so I'll stop along here and tighten up all my straps, and then we'll make roads to Larkhall. Hey, here we are, first drop, 1 left. Head into their less than ideal gate. It works. Just gotta take your time, eh? As you can see, not everybody's taking their time. It's been twatted a couple of times. There we go. Is that Chris? I believe it is. Oh, just hop over here. Right, nice and quick that one. We'll take a nice big spin at this, line up nice for a gate. One of the lads in here, he got put through his class 1 test, and he dragged this gate away with him. And his first couple of days, he passed his test. We've all done it. They're now calling him the tin opener. Oh dear. All fun and games, eh? At least it was his own yard. My first booby was a company I was delivering to, one of their vans. I had a banksman, and it was just in a rigid right enough, but I didn't have the mirrors set up properly. No stupidity. And he was backing me back, and I clipped the corner of the van as I started turning in. Banksman clearly didn't know how the rigid tail swing worked, and I couldn't really see the van, but the edge of the van at least. And I clipped the corner of it, burst the lens and scratched the paintwork and whatnot. Site manager came out and says, "Oh, don't worry about it, you had a Banksman. It's one of your own vans, it's fine." So, never seen the Banksman again after that. I never thought much of him. My boss said, "Oh, take pictures, blah blah blah." What did they say? And I told them, I said, "Oh, they're fine with it." I had a Banksman, so they're no bothered. And I go back to the yard, and my boss says, "Oh, did you get any pictures?" Yeah, I got the pictures. Good. Did you get the Banksman's name? Nah, I never really thought to ask. Aye, because they've sent us a £400 repair bill. They're saying you never had a Banksman. they didn't have a banksman on that site, so aye, my first baby cost the company 400 quid. And it was one of the deliveries, it was a poxy amount of steel, like any profit was long out the window. So, aye. We've got to Dumbarton next, which is kind of naff because I'll literally be driving past the Celtic ground, the training facility. I was really liked I went there, but Dumbarton stuff's been loaded on top of it. It's not ideal, but it's section 2-3s really, because I would be driving past it on the way back as well. I prefer to try and get the weight off as I go. More economic for fuel on it. The more money I can save the company, maybe the more money they're willing to pay me. That was a joke. That's never going to happen. But aye. So we'll head on to the Erskine Bridge. Although everybody in our dug will know the Erskine Bridge now since Tim crossed it. And it is the Erskine Bridge, it's not the Erskine, but you know, forgive him since he's no local. But it's a fair old height, this bridge. You really want to be looking over the edge if you were scared of heights, that's for sure. Right, we're here. See if this has changed much. This is another cesspool. It's winter, all sites are cesspools. Get some beacons on. That doesn't look too different. Yay, joy. Oh no, wait a minute. Oh no, oh they've got actual roads now. Where's the compound now? The compound was on the left there. Right, I'm going to have to go and speak to somebody. I'm just going to park up here so I'm no, hopefully not blocking the road without destroying the nice new curbs, because that's never good. Kind of get a bit whingy about that. Wait a minute, I think I've got a phone number actually. I do, that's what I'll do. I'll make a phone call. That's our tip here, 15 ton off. And just get spun around and then we'll get out of here. That's only a 40-foot trailer, but you still got a wee bit of tail swing on it. Oh, fuck off, mate. Good lad, you figured it out. We're going to look at that angle. at that angle actually. There's that wee wooden post. Try not to hit the curb. Good. Beacons off, and we will go to Celtic's training grounds again. That'll be fun because I've got a Blindside in there. Any time like the present, eh? Just sort of try to follow the tracks of the trucks that have already come out of here. I think they're going to start chasing the wind, I think. I don't know yet. I can't see him now. He says we're good. That looks about right. We'll start chasing it in now. Doesn't help, but it cuts back on itself as well. There we go. How am I doing for that wall? Aye. I should have cut it a bit tighter. And tug forward than that. What's up, buddy? I need over a bit. Well, looking better on the road now. That's a hole, eh? I have asked them to watch for the mud flaps digging into the ground. Watch that gate.
You've got 150 million mud flap.
It's just, if they dig in sometimes...
Oh, get that, mate. You just end up fucking tearing, I get that. Listen, that's absolutely perfect. Thank you.
How far back you walked me all the way up to where I was yesterday?
Yeah.
You just walked me up to where I was yesterday?
No, he's changed, broke my right to the right hand side of him. Just leave what he's right with him, mate.
Aye, that's no bother. I'm always willing to try, buddy. Always. Can't always promise it'll go, but I'll certainly try. And there we go. And that is all you can do, is try. Won't always go, but at least if you tried, the next time you turn up, if you're in a rush or that, they might be willing to do you the favour and get things moving quick.